We have Coach Jack Guan, Colin Sakowe, and Nick Caballero. Coach Jack, congratulations on his victory, especially in front of your schoolmates. At saka first time na nanalo ang UST over UP since 2019. So how does it feel na, yun nga, nanalo ko lang pre-season, nanalo na kayo sa kanila. Pero itong sa UAP, ito, nanalo kayo ulit. So what can you say?
First of all, si Coach Pito lang hindi kasi ng process. Siguro, dahil maganda yung opening ceremony ng UST, so gusto rin namin yung magandang performance para sa fans namin at saka sa pininiwala sa amin and sa mga sponsors namin sa Petropia Postal. So gusto na namin mag-perform ng maayos para sa opening.
Thank you. And to Nick, you had 9 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, and plus 14. Yung nga, ito, this is your start of your final year. So, ano masasabi mo na yung nga, last year hindi kayo nanalo nung dito sa home court, pero this time around nakabawi kayo, nanalo ko at convincing against the defending champion.
We prepared well. We prepared well, tapos stick to the system lang kami na coach. You know, naniniwala talaga ako sa mga teammates ko na kaya namin gawin. So, I think, pinakomment ko lahat ng mga teammates ko just teamwork talaga yung para makuha natin.
Thank you. And to Collins, they have an impressive debut of 29 points, 17 rebounds, 1 block, 1 steal, and 1 assist, and plus 27. So, you're playing for the first time as a UST player, and in front of home crowd, so how does it feel to win?
Actually, it's a great feeling, taking advantage of the home crowd. Also, I just have to do what I got to do. I'm representing UST. I have to take it upon myself. They're taking care of me, so this is the only way I can pay them back. So just doing the job.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Collins, did you see yourself immediately playing this great? It's your first game playing.
Man, actually, coming into the game, man, I just had to clear my head, and I told myself, whatever it is, man, I just got to do it. And again, I just had to clear my head. That's just it. Just play. Whoever comes. If I score, fine. If I doesn't, I just got to help the team again, whichever way I can. That's it.
Nick, as UST co-captain, ano masabi mo na meron na kayong dominant force in the middle na pwede kayong pasakan and then control the rebounds and the defense inside?
So what Colin said is just doing his role. Even as a rookie, I know na been in the UAP for how many years now. And I know he will do well. Actually, prove ko nga siya doon sa Korea. Lagi kami talk about sa futures here in UST. And ini-instant and gina-guide lang namin yung course si Collins and all the defense.
Collins. First of all, welcome to UST. You and Kyle set the tempo early in this game. How much have you guys worked on that chemistry in the offseason?
Actually, in practice, man, Kai, we tend to do things a lot, like we keep it rolling and stuff. And yesterday we were together, I think, after practice, we were together for like 4 hours, just driving around. And we were just talking, like, going into this game, and as a rookie and also as a veteran, man, we just got to do it, man. If others aren't already, we just have to take it upon ourselves. So that's what we try to do. That's why when we make basket, we're like talking to each other, like, come here, and stuff like that. Let's do this.
Coach, was it really part of the game plan to really feed Collins down low, especially with UP's bigs medyo being unproven, lacking QNB and Lopez?
Actually, just playing a system na everyone gets to touch the ball. So happy na Collins did an agency with good leads and good leads if they double him. So yung game plan naman namin is based on it. So lahat naman sila free will mag-make decision.
For the entire coaching staff, gano'ng kalaking moral base na given na you didn't score that much, Fortsky was out for this game, and yung ibang guys pa hindi pa contribute siya. So, heading to the next few games, gano'ng kalaking moral base na given the fact that usual guys in fail, confidence much, pero sila convincing nito bila defending champions.
Of course, sobrang laking moral booster to sa amin. First, defending champion, we have that of respect sa kanila, sa coaching staff nila. But the good thing lang is, given sabi nyo, wala si Fort Speed and si yung at least napakita namin sa players na the system's gonna work. So you have to believe lang sila. So yun naman, ganda yung pinaka-focus namin sa kanila. So,
Nick, pag tinatanong ako kung bakit ka nag-stay, lagi mo sinasabi na i-convince ka ni Coach Pito. And it's na mag-stay kasi pinahabi sila sa'yo na bibigyan ka ng tulong. They will surround you with players who want to win as bad as you. So, ano lang pakiramdam na ganito yung pinakita ko. And ganito rin yung mga nakapaligid sa yung defense.
Sobrang thankful ako and happy kasi matagal ko na talaga na. So I believe in process and I really believe in process na it is your time, it is your time. So I know, it's just a one win ngayon nangyari pero mag-focus na kami ng wins na sa Pilipinas.
Colin Sao, of course, UP is the seed run, but how excited are you to test yourself against the likes of Mike Phillips and Mason Anderson?
I'm looking forward to that matchup, and it's just basketball. It's basketball. It's gonna start basketball, but it's gonna end there. I'm just gonna do. I will just do what I have to do. That's better. I'm even happy playing against UP in my first game to see, to see what I can fit it into the system and everything. So yeah.
Coach, you won a championship sa UST yung 2006. Pero you never had experience of playing na, yun nga, sa school. So, how does it feel na yun nga, isa sa mga coaching sa Kalupido, tapos ito, nanalo kayo na in front of your school?
of course, nakakaingit. Of course, playing sa home court mo. Again, it's their time na now, sila Nick, sila Coach, sila Colin. So, I'm just telling them na at this year, you just have to believe. Kasi probably last year, without pa, but now, I think sabi mo sa kayo, you just have to believe naman kailangan nila maniwala sila na kaya namin this year.
And to Nick, syempre, of course, you won both yung finish last year and this time out, you wanted to go higher. So, ano yung sinasabi mo sa mga teammates mo ba? Syempre, ma-achieve yung goal mo.
Nung natin namin earlier, sinabi ko talaga kanina, do you believe na kaya natin makating sa championship? But, naniniwala pa kayo na kaya natin talunin yung yung first statement na sinabi ko sa mga teams, teammates na wholeheartedly nila na gusto talaga nila manalo. Gutom na gutom talaga kami every game, gusto namin manalo.
Congratulations, Coach Jabs, Colin, and Nick. Thank you.